Good afternoon, my name is Mick. I work at Factory Outlet Trailers here in the headquarters just south of Calgary in High River. Every time people call, they say, how many trailers have you got in stock, or have you got any particular trailers? We always say we've got 1,000 trailers and even more trailers coming in. So we're just going to prove the fact. I want to give you a quick tour around the yard, show you what trailers we got, from a little trailer to a big sled trailer. Follow me, let's go and have a look. Okay, you can see the snow on the ground, but spring is on its way, so time to get those side-by-sides, quads out, get up into the mountains. You can see to my right-hand side here, we got little utility trailers starting at the small ones, 4x8, and then increasing up to like 14 feet. Excellent for your side-by-side. We have these in stock, so once again, we're going to move on and have a look at some more trailers that we've got. Well, I've just shown you the little trailers that we've got. We're going to move up a stage now, and you see on my left and my right hand side, again, utility trailers that you can put your side-by-side in, lawn tractors, etc. So even more trailers here, and we're going to move on and we're going to go to the next batch. What I want to show you now is the cargo trailers that we have in stock. We start off from like single axle cargo trailers, move into like the next stage up was like 7x12, 7x14, 8x16, 8x20, etc, etc. When you phone up here at F.O.T, the questions we're going to ask you is, what are you going to be putting in that trailer? What type of axles do you need? Do you need a barn door? Do you need a ramp door? And how high you want your trailer? And the last question we're going to ask you is, what color do you want? We've got white ones, charcoal, silver, red, black. We've even got one that's like a pumpkin color. If we haven't got the color that you want, then we can order it in. But we have got a lot of cargo trailers in stock, so give us a call. Okay, we're nearly at the end of February. You can see there's snow on the ground, but there's still snow in the mountains. Have a look behind me. We've got loads of sled trailers in stock. We've got like small ones around the 18 foot, all the way up to like 28 foot long sled trailers. Ramps out the front, ramps out the back, and also we've got some with heaters inside, heated floors, e-track there, ready for you to get up the mountains and get those sleds going. Okay, you can see behind me we've got equipment trailers. We've got so many equipment trailers that we've had to even stack them one on top of the other. We've got anything from 3,500 pound axles, 5,200 pound axles, 7,000 pound axles. Whatever you need to haul, from a skid steer to a little mini excavator, we've got the trailer for you. What I want to quickly show you is truck beds. If you've got an old beaten up truck that the box is rusting out on, bring it along. We can install truck beds. We've got lots in stock. We've got some with skirts with toolboxes on. The steel ones that I've got here, we've got some with just flatbeds. We've got aluminum ones, and we've got aluminum one with toolboxes. So give us a call, we'll give you a quote, we'll get it installed and make that old truck look beautiful. If you've got a little acreage, if you're in a construction business, we've got dump trailers for you. We've got the little baby dump trailers, the small ones here, single axle. Then we've got tandem axle, little small ones. Then we go up to the 7x14 and then the 7x16. We've even got dump trailers with gooseneck for really heavy material. We have got a lot of dump trailers in stock with outstanding prices. Okay, we're finished the tour now, and now you can actually believe us. We have got over 1,000 trailers here in headquarters in High River. We are the biggest trailer company in Canada, and we can ship a trailer to you anywhere. Once again, my name is Mick. I'm a veteran and I'm here. Give me a call and it'd be a pleasure to help you.